showing you on how to make kuchinta at home. Here are the ingredients needed. In a medium bowl, mix all the dry ingredients starting from cassava flour, all-purpose flour, and brown sugar. Then mix all together. Gradually add water and continue mixing until all ingredients are well combined. Mix the lye water and continue mixing. You mix another water and continue mixing. In a separate bowl, strain mixture to remove lumps and bubbles. Then you grease your molder with oil. You can now place the mixture into individual molds and steam for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can now remove from the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. And it's done. You can serve with fresh shredded coconut or cheese on top. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more.